Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. We are in the home stretch, you guys. I hope you're doing well. I just received my BoxyCharm by Ipsy, now the Ipsy Extra, for the month of January. This is gifted in PR, so thank you in advance to Ipsy. This is my chance to show you some spoilers and stuff like that. Gives you an opportunity to kind of see the selection for the upcoming month in time to make your choices. Remember, choices open from the 1st to the 3rd. So we're gonna dive in. I'm so incredibly excited. We always get an informative card that gives us our theming and things like that. For January 2026, the year of yes. 2026 is your year to say yes to it all. Experimenting with new eye looks, swiping on a fresh lip color, testing out the hottest new brand. No pressure, no perfection, just the joy of trying something new. I love that. And in saying that, drop down below, do you do New Year's resolutions? Do you do intentions like I do? Or do you just aim to be a little bit better and grow and stuff like that from the previous year? We do, of course, have pertinent dates and details here. And then you can scan the QR code on the back to reveal your products. First thing, right on top, one of my all-time favorite brands. This is the First Aid Beauty, or Fab Beauty, the Hydrating Dewy Gel Cream with hyaluronic acid and ceramides. That sounds amazing. And of course, this is 5 full-size products. And I do always say this every single time, specifically with subscription boxes, I feel like we get a really good bang for our buck. It's a really easy and affordable way to test so many different brands, skincare, hair, makeup, so on and so forth. And then you can kind of try these things and decide whether or not you want to invest and, pay full price for them, things like that. Next up is the Delish Lip Balm. And it says Sasha. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I probably will not open this just yet, although y'all know already if you've been here, I love a lip balm, treatment, oil, whatever the case may be, lip mask. Love the packaging on that. Ooh, hopefully that has a good tint to it. Hopefully it has some good color to it. And I will try to remember to put a little swatch or something right here for you guys and get a picture from online. Next up, becoming one of my favorite brands. It's one of my all-time favorite lip products. This time around though, we got the Kulfi Batty Lash Mascara in black. And the Kulfi, let me just grab one. The little Kulfi Lassie lips, I believe is what they're called. You guys, they're spectacular. So if those are any indication, this is gonna be fantastic. Oh, seeing a palette. Y'all know I like that. Next up is the Aceology Multivitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask. It says illuminates, exfoliates, and strengthens, and we get 4 masks. I feel like Aceology they're a staple in the subscription box spectrum. So far we're looking at 2 more makeup type products and then 2 more like skincare type products. Last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. Yes, this is the Girlactic, the Essential Palette Volume 2. I feel like Girlactic is another kind of staple for us. There's what the packaging looks like. It is a net weight of 10 grams with a 12-month shelf life. They are cruelty-free and then paraben-free. That is a cutie patootie little palette, y'all. We've got some neutrals and then some beautiful pastel shades. I think it is super, super pretty. We've got some beautiful different variations in like our neutral tones and then the really pretty like pastel shades. And then I like that there's a shimmer to correspond to each of the mattes. I love that idea. I don't have a lot of experience with Girlactic, specifically with their eyeshadows. So if you guys want to see a look, please let me know. I do not know that I will get it up in time for choice. Just gonna put that out there. Obviously the holidays, there's a lot going on. My son just got into town, so I really try my best to unplug. That's super important to me, but if you guys can wait and or you're okay with like a shorts of this or something, or maybe you just want to see swatches, let me know. So I'll break that down one more time. We have our Girlactic, the Essential Eyeshadow Palette, Volume 2. We have our Kulfi Batty Lash Mascara. I'm so excited about this, and if you've tested any of these products, definitely let us know. And if you see these in choice, which ones would you pick? Next up, we had our First Aid Beauty, our Fab Hydrating Dewy Gel Cream. We had our Delish, the lip balm in Sasha. And then our Aceology multivitamin brightening biodegradable masks. And of course we had a set of 4. I'm gonna give it like a 4 out of 5, not blowing my socks off. However, I do like that we got a palette. Y'all know I preach this all the time. I want Ipsy to kind of revert back to like old school Ipsy BoxyCharm days where we get a palette in every single box. I feel like for a lot of us, that was something that kind of drew us into Ipsy. So I love that. I love that we got a palette. I do like that we've got some things to like kind of keep us quenched and nourished and hydrated through the, the colder winter months. I like that we got the mascara so we can kind of complete our eye look with the eyeshadow and the mascara. We've got our lip treatment, lip mask, which I love, absolutely love, especially this time of the year. So I do like the overall assortment. I'm kind of excited to see, and I do still pay for my regular Ipsy. I pay for Icon box, for all the things. So I still pay for my own box as well. So I'm excited. I already feel like based on just the PR box, I think that January is going to probably be better than December, in my personal opinion. And that may be, and so many of us have said this, like in our own conversations, I just think November, it was a home run. So because November was so good, I feel like some of us were like, you know what, December lacked a little bit. January though, I think we're off to a good start, you guys. Comment down below, let me know what you guys thought. I'm not blowing my socks off, but really good. And I do love that we actually, everything that's in here is kind of geared more towards winter time, which I do love. I do say this a lot. If it's a summertime box, give me sun protection, give me bronzes and things like that. Like for me personally, that's what I'm looking for. Skin protection, sun protection, things like that. And then in the fall and winter months, I want things that are kind of more specified towards the season. Hopefully that all makes sense, y'all. And if it doesn't, I'm really sorry. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you, of course, to Ipsy for gifting. Don't forget you can give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet. You can hype this video. You can turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my uploads. And there's a join button right down there. You can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties!